legalization of same-sex marriage is concerned. That verdict will be given by the top court tomorrow. The verdict is expected to come out around 10:30 in the morning. A 5-judge constitution bench led by Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, will at 10:30 a.m. tomorrow deliver judgment on a batch of 20 petitions which have sought legalization of same-sex marriage in the country. Harish is joining us with more details. Harish, if you could, take our viewers through the arguments that were presented.
Yes, so that's right, Swati. 5-judge constitution bench led by Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, will at 10:30 a.m. tomorrow deliver a judgment on a batch of 20 petitions which have sought legalization of same-sex marriage in the country after a 10-day marathon hearing. Remember, the bench had reserved its verdict on May 11th, and petitioners had argued that Special Marriage Act is ultra-vires the Constitution of India to the extent it discriminates between same-sex couples and opposite-sex couples, denying same-sex couples both legal rights like to adopt and inherit property, opening of joint bank accounts, nominate a partner in insurance policies, as well as the social recognition and status that flows from a marriage. And at the same time, Centre sternly opposed the concept of same-sex marriage, principally citing Indian sanskar, societal morality and ethos, centuries-old culture and tradition, calling it primarily an urban elitist concept. As the Centre told the court that a total of 158 provisions in the Constitution, like Constitution and Indian Penal Code, Criminal Procedure Code, Civil Procedure Code, and 28 other legislations would have to be amended if it went ahead, putting person in place of man and woman and spouse for a husband and wife in the Special Marriage Act. So Centre said only then would LGBT community couples have the right to marriage along with the consequential legal privileges of adoption, succession and inheritance. The court during the 10-day hearing deliberated upon several possibilities like tweaking certain words in the Special Marriage Act to make laws gender neutral, or issuing a declaration backing same-sex marriages and leaving the rest to the government. Bench indicated it may stop short of granting formal marriage rights to members of LGBT community, but appeared firm on issuing a constitutional declaration which Parliament may choose to implement by enacting appropriate laws. I remember Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who had appeared for Centre, opposing the move to legal sanctity to same-sex marriages, had been quite persuasive, raising several apprehensions, practical difficulties, effect on other statutes and implications on personal law. So all eyes on the Supreme Court 5-judge constitution bench which to deliver the big judgment, and what is important is that the delivery of the verdict, the pronouncement of the judgment will be live streamed from the Supreme Court website, and so this is a very significant judgment. It is going to come at 10:30 a.m. tomorrow.